A long time ago, when animals could still talk, the king of the skies invited the animals to a great feast above the clouds. The tortoise wanted to go, but there was a problem. He had no wings. He begged the birds for feathers to make wings. The birds were kind, and they helped him glue feathers to his back. And together, they rose to the sky. The tables were endless: yam, millet, vegetables, even Ijapa's favorite, asaro. But the tortoise was sly. He told the birds, "Today, call me all of you." So whenever the king's servants brought food out, they shouted, "For all of you." Ijapa leapt up each time. "Yes, that's me," leaving only scraps for the birds. The birds were furious. When the feast ended, they plucked back the feathers they had given him, leaving Ijapa stranded in the sky. Afraid, he begged, "Tell my wife Yonibo to please lay out mats and soft leaves for me to break my fall." But the angry birds twisted his words. They told Yonibo to lay out the hardest things in the house. Yonibo laid them out. Ijapa jumped. He heard a loud crack. His shell had shattered. Yonibo wept and patched him up. When you see that tortoise going by with his shell cracked, remember the tale of the tortoise who flew to the sky but used his own cunning behavior to bring about his downfall.